In a tranquil marshland, where reeds swayed gently, a unique bird named Snipe resided. Known for its long, slender beak and cryptic ways, Snipe was a mystery to all. One day, a curious young boy named Teddy wandered into the marshland, captivated by the tales of the elusive snipe. He sought to uncover the secret behind the snipe's unparalleled agility and disappearing act. As Teddy approached, the snipe, sensing his presence, darted behind a reed. Teddy, undeterred, waited patiently. Hours passed, and just as the sun began to set, the snipe reappeared. The snipe spoke, "I am not hiding out of fear, young one. My secret lies in embracing the unseen, in mastering the art of blending with my surroundings." Teddy listened intently, his eyes wide with wonder. "But why," he asked, "if you can hide so well, why reveal yourself at all?" The snipe responded, "To remind the world that there is beauty in the unseen, and that sometimes, the most important lessons are those that lie hidden." As Teddy left the marshland, he carried with him a newfound appreciation for the unseen, the unspoken, and the undervalued. He vowed to always seek the beauty hidden in plain sight, just like the enigmatic snipe. And so, the story of the snipe serves as a reminder to us all that the world is full of wonders, if only we learn to see them.